Do you spend the night tossing and turning trying to get comfortable? Your knees rub, your back and hips ache. You end up waking up sore. Now there's a better way to sleep with a Contour Legacy leg pillow from JML. The ergonomically designed tapered leg pillow that naturally fits the contours of your legs, knees or thighs to help support your spine and provide a good night's sleep. When you sleep on your side, your leg falls forward, twisting your pelvis and lower back. This puts pressure on your spine, hips and sciatic nerve. But the Contour Legacy pillow cushions your knees and cradles your legs, restoring your lower back alignment, so you wake up feeling great. The ergonomic tapered design features curved, sleek edges that easily fit between your legs for a better level of comfort. The curved, smooth edges glide easily under sheets, while the sleek crescent shape fits both a man and a woman's anatomy perfectly. It's long in length to fully support your legs and knees, and easily allows you to bend your knees while you sleep without falling out.